Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cash Fam. So in today's video I'm gonna create some funky look quickie funky look with added two or three things only. So without any talk, let's go into this video. That's it for the today's video, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you guys